Cardano holder, a very big news for all of you, my friends. Definitely, when price were fails down from 3.09 USD dollar to 2.14 USD dollar. Definitely, it's a very bad difference, my friend, and very badly decreased now. So therefore, today we will talk about this huge, my friends, fails to why they were fails down like that, and can there is a chance to upcoming does, my friends. They will give you a profit. They will change this all occur, my friend. You can see here they will change and to positive, and definitely, my friends, in upcoming time, can there is a chance to they will pumps up or not. So let's get started, my friends, the technical analysis. But kindly holder, if you are new my channel, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So the price, my friend, you can see here decreased now minus 16.7% in last 1 month. And definitely, my friend, if we just only check out the last 7 days chart to what they do in last 7 days. So you can see, my friend, 17% total is in month, my friends. They were fails down by 10%, my friend. You can see here 11%. 11%, my friend. As you can see here, they were fails down just in only in last 7 days. So that's mean to in last 7 days this coin were very badly fails down. Otherwise, my friend, you can see here this time just only 7% they are lost now in 3 weeks now, but in 1 week you can see here they will just only lost 11%. My brothers, absolutely, after a huge pump, definitely every coin will dumps down, but not like that. Absolutely, my friends, when a coin were my friends price increased now 10%, so definitely they were fails down 5%. But this time you could see here they will just only increase 1%, but the price were fails down, my friends, 11%. So it's a very bad fails, but I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will give you again this huge profit. They will give you 3 USD dollar. Let's see, my friends, what they do. But kindly holder, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel, and after that please press the bell icon for videos notification.